Hi, I'm your car's well-wisher and engine protector, your friendly neighborhood mechanic. Today, I'm going to show how to give your car's body a glass-like shine with Magsol one-step rubbing compound. Constant exposure to sun, heat, rain, dust and pollution slowly damages car paint. Over time, the car surface develops swirl marks, oxidation and dull patches, making the car look aged even after washing. Park the car in shade. Ensure the car's surface is clean and cool. Apply a small amount on a sponge or cloth. Rub evenly using firm circular motion. Wipe clean with a microfiber cloth. Paint immediately looks brighter, smoother and more vibrant. Color depth improves, reflections are clearer and the car looks visibly newer. Use when paint looks weathered or before polishing and waxing.